What's going on, everybody? Coach Pat here, bringing you that energy through health, fitness, and wellness. And today we got an upper body burn, and I mean it's gonna be a burn. We got 7 movements. All right, all of them are using dumbbells. Well, just about all of them. Some of them aren't using dumbbells. Some of them are only using 1 dumbbell. So make sure that you have your dumbbells handy. Make sure you are ready to rock and roll. I have mine handy right there. Hopefully y'all can see it and try to get my finger right when we go ahead and do this. But if you're wondering, just for reference, how much weight you should be using, I would be using 20 pounds. It's gonna be tough for me. So if you have 10, 15, 20 pounds, somewhere along that range, you should be good. If you need to bust it down to 8 or 5 pounds, that totally works out as well. Remember, go at your own pace, listen to your body, and work with what you got. All right, so 7 movements. We're going 30 seconds on, 15 seconds of rest. And we're gonna go 2 rounds with all 7 movements, okay? So this is gonna be roughly around 10 minutes or so based on how much rest you need. If you take it all the way through, it's gonna be 10 minutes for you, but if you need more rest, it could be anywhere to 12 minutes to 15 minutes based on what you need as far as rest, water, things of that nature. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and stretch. So pause this video, go stretch for 5 to 10 minutes, come back, and then we're gonna go ahead and get after it, okay? But I'm done talking. Let's go ahead and get after it. Be ready to sweat, be ready to get active, be ready to have some fun today, and let's go ahead and let's work on our upper body, all right? Let's get that pump, let's get that burn. Let's go, let's go.
Peace.